wave. Wave to your daddy.
Hi, honey. Hey, Amanda. Or Amanda. Hey, Madison. Who are you with? Him. What's his name?
Good old him.
Uncle Chip.
Uncle Chip.
Is that Uncle
You
Chip?
got it. Well, I got the bite me shirt on, so I can understand the mistaken impression.
Could that be Uncle Jeff, too? Yeah, you want to escape from Uncle Chip?
You
Okay.
on down already? You done riding? Okay, swing your legs over.
Come on, take it for a nose.
Everybody ready?
Go.
Here I go.
Okay.
Bye.
Where are you going?
Bye-bye, BB.
You're Schnitzelfred.
Oh, go, Shay.
I'm Snuffleupagus. Bye, Shay.
Oh, they've used this car for 2 days now. Big entertainment value. There they are. Good stopping. Good stopping. Yeah, you just rubbed me a little bit. Good. Excellent. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
I
beautiful.
was a beautiful driver.
Is that a new recorder?
Yeah, see, it's 7 o'clock. He's crashed. He's completely laid out here. I think you're right, though, Robin. We can just... Oh, he's a sweetie. Robin, we can round up, and his birthday is the 50th. That's Memorial Day. Time to pack up and go. Cousins are playing together. Ooh. Hey, Shay! Let me get a little bit closer. They don't have to sit down. There you go. Girls have to. Hey, you guys. Hi, hey, Shay, let me see your face. Lean over here so I can see you. Lean over a little farther. Hey, Lauren, let me see your face. Hi, sweetie. Hey, you guys, did you have a nice weekend?
Daddy, looking at my face.
Hey, Shay, what was your favorite thing to do? What was something fun?
Go-karts.
Go-karts? Good. Hey, Lauren, what was something fun for you? Go-karts. How about fishing?
I want to get down. Did Lauren go on a go-kart?
No, but she likes them. Oh, okay. Put the camera down. Here you go, honey. You okay? Wave goodbye to us. Goodbye, Madison. Wave goodbye. Oh, no, you have to go with us.
I have a little friend who has to say goodbye, too.
Oh, he's waving goodbye.
Goodbye.
Oh, oh, Don. Bye, Maureen. Ah. Hey, Dallas, bye-bye.
Dallas.
Bye-bye. Bark. Dallas, quit barking. Oh, Madison's going to say bye-bye, Dallas. Hey, Madison, tell Dallas to quit barking.
Don't rip it, Maureen. That's where you get trouble.
Okay, better get out of the room. Let's go visit Ann and Eric, putting our children to bed tonight. Good luck.
Good. Both of them were smiling so broadly they were practically laughing. Bugs Bunny couldn't believe his eyes.
ribbons, he explained. Pictures, kids, what's up? What is this anyway? Time for your Easter party, answered the man, reaching out and tying a purple satin ribbon around Bug's neck. Won't act as the town's Easter bunny? We want you as a guest of honor. You're one of our most important, prominent citizens, Bugs. Bugs was so relieved that he thought he had never heard the finer idea. Guest of honor, eh? The artist held her drawing out for him. Do you think this is a good enough portrait to be used as a prize? She asked. All Bug's confidence returned. He polished his fingernails carelessly as he studied the drawing. It'll do, he said. The little boy and the girl.
Alligators down there! There's alligators down there!
You asked later, here's the money, Ricky.
Alligators! Hurry up! Hurry up! Sadie, you're gonna get eaten. He's gonna get eaten. Oh. Sadie's not afraid. Come on, Sadie, up! Up, up, come on! Come on!
I don't think they believe you're alligator. Hi, Sadie.
You don't think they're going for this alligator thing?
Hey, Madison, how many years old will you be on your birthday party today?
Good girl.
Good girl. How many is that, honey?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, you're going to be 4. I thought you were going to be 3.
1.
She's not gonna be 4. You're 4.
Yeah.
You guys are born like this a week apart or something.
5, 6.
November, huh? That's a long way away.
You're going to be 7. Wow, that's a big birthday. Must be a lot of candles. Should we give you presents today too, honey?
No, she's not gonna be
Okay.
She is not gonna be sad.
Right.
No, what's off
That's
my
right. You're not gonna be 17,
medicine?
are you? You're only 4.
What's off my medicine?
You're gonna be, how old are you gonna be next?
Honey, we're not going to wash your shirt. You just put your shirt on.
When's your birthday?
No.
Is it
You just put it on just 5 minutes ago when you woke up.
Is it in November?
Uh-oh.
November 8th?
I think she's still 2. Lauren is the little bee. They've been up in the attic collecting junk. And Madison, give her whack an egg on her head.
Whack.
Do it hard. It'll crack. Oh, great! Put it on top. Oh.
No, that's all.
Oh.
Next time you come, you can get an egg on you. Oh boy, be careful there. Your little friend has been busy.
Madison, you did good job cracking that egg on your sister's head.
I'm still full of it.
You little whistler.
Say, whose happy birthday is it, Lauren?
Maddie.
Which number?
3.
3. That's right. Madison, where'd you go? There she goes. Well,
Here's something you never used to. Harry.
and Madison, blow it my way. Ooh. Hey, Madison, whose birthday is it?
Mom.
And which number birthday?
Canterbury is on the big
Uh-oh.
tour.
Which?
They've had big tournaments, you know, the senior tour and the regular.
Really?
Yeah, it's one of the stops that they have.
Birthday, dear Madison. Happy birthday to you.
Ready? Open.
That was
Which
all
one?
Music.
Hey, Madison, whose gift?
Kidding.
Madison, where'd that come to you? Whose gift?
It doesn't really have a name on it.
Aunt Annie. Okay.
Version she opens is mine.
Exactly.
But she likes mine the best.
Exactly.
We have a, you see our headline?
Anything to do with the pink bow? I don't know. Pink bows. We got pink bows, orange bows.
Oh.
There's a little antipathy in Cleveland.
You help her, Lauren. You good girl, sweetie.
Can you pull it off the corner? It might be too hard.
They aren't selling out and they aren't doing anything.
I don't have
They're not sold out, they just got a new stadium.
Is it usable this year now?
I think so, yes.
We'll
Oh,
come
what a
back
beautiful
soon.
birthday cake on
You can have help opening that. I think you can.
Yeah.
What is it, Madison? Is it a yellow dress with a butterfly?
A doctor. Boy. It's my birthday.
Yeah.
Open it.
Yeah. Hey, Matt.
Ken, woo!
There's a
He's
little-
so handsome.
I didn't know.
Woo!
I didn't know there was a doll in Barbie.
You guys,
But there's a little doll.
you guys have to understand. This is a boy Barbie.
Yes.
That's the appropriate.
Boy Barbie.
Boy Barbie. You like boy Barbie?
Okay.
Can you turn around?
Oh, thanks, hon.
Madison, look at Grandma. Give her a big smile.
Oh, I was trying to get him in. I got
Where's your heart?
Oh, here's a card. Madison, here. Here's a card. Open it up.
And this is what Daddy's got to be careful with, because that's for fun.
Oh, okay. Thank you,
Isn't
Grandma.
that dog cute?
A Bobby.
A puppy.
And two Bobbies.
Now,
Let me
Lauren can help you put the dolly's clothes on. And give the thing
Your mom.
Madison, there's one more gift from your sister, Lauren, right here in front of you. The
Did you go
suspicious.
shopping, Lauren?
No. I did.
Did you go shopping? I know, it was for your birthday.
Hey,
but Lauren
Madison,
went shopping, didn't
Madison,
she? For her sister.
you stayed home when Lauren went shopping.
I did home.
Look at that.
Ooh, a puppy.
That's a puppy.
Hey, Lauren, you were right.
God,
She
no,
wanted
that
a puppy, a bicycle. Don't forget, there's a helmet there, Madison. See the helmet?
It's gonna
It's a
be the
bicycle
bicycle though.
helmet.
Lauren's gonna ride, isn't it, sweetie? Yeah, now with no training wheels.
Ready to say, hey, Madison, you want to give Lauren a big kiss? Say thank you. Hey, Maddie. Maddie, do you want to give Lauren a big kiss?
Aw, she loves her sister. Her sister went shopping for her. So sweet.
The emergency broadcasting system. This is only a test. If this were not an emergency, you would be told exactly where not to go under the incorrect circumstances. Thank you. Observe the yellow-bellied, star-faced Baker family in their natural habitat, preparing for dessert after our third feeding of the day.
Billy. Hello, Billy. Hello, Billy.
Observe as they hop about the kitchen on one leg and have difficulty in the comparatively simple task of not eating.
Okay. Mama, you blocked your cream, right? Okay, I'm sitting.
Oops, I think you took a picture.
Oh, I didn't push any buttons. Ready?
Early preparations being made for the main event.
Oh, I think the
The
fire.
delivery of the
We're
cake
gonna
in
light the
question
fire for
coming through the door at any
who-
given
my
moment.
birthday.
is a chocolate
This is
cake,
no.
and we're
It's
going to
yours?
have it with
You told me. I
Candles,
thought
yes,
you said it
that's
was
right.
mine.
What are we doing? Got those plates.
They're taking forever.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Notice the professional photography by Eric.
Happy birthday, dear Madison.
Oh, there's that little body.
Happy birthday to you.
Now make a wish, too.
That was almost like music.
Okay, make a wish a secret. Okay.